Hello guys, welcome back to another video. eFootball 2026 just got released guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you that how actually I managed to get a mod for the game guys, and I'm about to share with you in this tutorial. So the mod works for the both devices, iOS and Android, so actually the steps are going to be the same. So all you have to do, you just need to watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself, so you can be able to do it also you on your own on your mobile. Alright. So we will wait just a few seconds to get connected with the main menu of the page of the game, sorry, so you can see what the mod looks like, and then I'm going to share the rest of the steps you will need to know. Okay, we are almost there. So as I mentioned before guys, the steps are going to be the same for the both devices. All right, so here we are guys. And as you can see, with the mod, I generated so much coins and GP, guys. So now what you need to do, guys, for this mod, you just need to check a few things in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly, so you don't have any problem, all right? So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to go to settings, and you need to scroll it down till you're gonna find this option App Store, okay? So you're gonna press over there, and then make sure in this automatic downloads to have these three options active like this, all right? This is to allow automatic downloads in your device and updates as well. And the next thing you need to do is to go to the battery, and if you are using a lower power mode guys, you need to turn it off. So a lot of people like to use lower power mode to save battery, but in this case we need to turn it off because it will disable automatic downloads, as you can see. All right, so what you need to do, you need to go to turn it off, the lower power mode, automatic downloads will get enabled, and then you are ready to go for the mod. All right, so these steps are required just if you're using iOS device. If you're using Android, you don't have to do anything in the settings guys. Android is a different system, it does it by itself automatically. So the next step guys, we need to do, you need to go to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, MODOLIX. So once you're gonna enter inside guys, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just gonna use the searching bar to find it easier, and here it is. You press on it, and then you have information about the mod and the game as well. And here in the corner you're gonna find the install button, so you just need to press the install button, continue the rest of the steps required. You're going to be able to get the mod same as me. So it's pretty simple guys, as you can see. This is it in short words. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos guys. Cheers.